Katsuura and we're gonna go hiking today.
And I have learned to protect my soul, 'cause it was out of everywhere. I will stand touched and know my sweaty palms stay hidden inside my clothes. And just a minute before I open the door, I put my sunglasses on. And just a minute before I open the door, I put my sunglasses on. And just a minute before I open the door, I put my sunglasses on.
The Kumano-Kodo pilgrimage routes span across the mountainous Kii Peninsula. They've been registered under UNESCO World Heritage and feature many beautiful cultural and natural sites along its routes. They've become a popular destination for hikers. 3 famous shrines sit on the Kumano-Kodo: Kumano Hongu Taisha, Kumano Hayatama Taisha, and Kumano Nachi Taisha. We decided to visit and hike around the latter as it is close to Kii Katsuura.
The streets, but I am wrapped inside these settled shoes. And just a minute before I open the door, I put my sunglasses on. And just a minute before I open the door, I put my sunglasses on. I am no one.
We ascended towards the shrine on the picturesque tree-lined arcade Daimon Zaku.
No one. I am no one. I am no one. I am no one. Just a minute before I open the door. Just a minute before I open the door, I put my sunglasses on. And just a minute before I open the door, just a minute before I open the door, I put my sunglasses on.
The Kumano Nachi Taisha Grand Shrine has its roots in the worship of the Nachi Waterfall and its kami, spirit god. Unfortunately, the shrine and the neighboring temple, Sansei Gantoji, were undergoing construction during our visit. Sansei Gantoji was founded in the 5th century by a holy priest named Baragyo, who came from India. He was practicing asceticism under the waterfall and found a small image of Canon at its basin. In the 6th century, a 4-meter Canon image was carved with the Canon image found by Baragyo placed in its chest. This statue was enshrined here. present building dates back to 1590, when Toyotomi Hideyoshi, who unified Japan at the end of the 16th century, had the temple reconstructed after it had been reduced to ashes by another ambitious lord, Oda Nobunaga.
And now we're gonna go inside.
Level 1. Level 2. Level 3.
Nachi Falls has a cascade of 133 meters and is the highest waterfall in Japan.
We went hiking for 3 hours. We actually wanted to go a super long, beautiful route, but about an hour into the forest we noticed that it's getting really slippery because of all the leaves and everything, and quite dangerous because it was very steep. So at some point we thought, okay, we're not so sure if this really works, so we just turned around and went back. Now we just took the bus and we're back at Kii Katsuura. Maybe we're gonna jump into the onsen now before dinner. We'll see. The sun is out. It was supposed to rain, but it's a sunny day. We took a shower and now we're going downtown. So we had a walk around this town, Kii Katsuura, and It's a lovely town. We noticed that there's barely anyone on the streets. Many of these shops are closed actually. And on the other hand, the whole town is designed to be, we have big hotels, like huge hotels and boats, everything. So that the town seems to be designed to be a very popular tourist destination. It looks like its glory days are over, which I think is very charming because you see a lot of almost abandoned buildings, and it makes it super interesting, but also a bit weird. And we wonder actually what happened. It's definitely a place that I didn't expect, but I'm super happy that I came here because I've never seen anything like this before.
Arigato, arigato.